to my channel.
So for today's video, we went on a field trip to Pusat Perkhidmatan in Jerantut, Pahang. We were taken to a special room where they displayed animal trophies, which were actually taxidermy animals. At first, it felt a little bit creepy, but then they explained that the purpose is to give the younger generation a chance to see and learn about extinct or endangered animals. And I thought that was pretty cool. And this is us listening about the explanation about the trophies. So this is me explaining about siamang. Hi guys! So for today's presentation, I'm going to be the first presenter for these animals. So we are choosing the siamang. So scientific name for siamang is Cephalungus syndactylus. So they can be found in Indonesia, Malaysia and also Thailand. So basically, their weight can be about 14 kilogram and their height can be 1 meter. They have a very long arms, which are much longer than their legs. So they usually choose a strong branches to swing from trees to trees. So that's a siamang. Got it? After that, we went to the National Elephant Conservation Centre in Kuala Gandar. It wasn't far at all, just about a 5 to 6 minutes drive from Pusat Perkhidmatan. And honestly, you guys, the place was so beautiful. Like seriously, it was super peaceful, surrounded by nature, and everything was really clean and well maintained. Such a vibe. While waiting for the elephant show to start, we got to feed the elephants, which was so much fun. Then we watched them bathing in the river, and it was the cutest thing ever.
What's up guys? So today we're going to feed elephants with sugarcane and banana. Let's go. Awak nampak tak nak gerak?
So this is Liana presenting about the elephants.
Hey. Hello guys, so my name is Leah and I'm the next presenter for our group. Now we are at Elephant Sanctuary and we are watching elephant in their shower time. So did you know that elephants are incredibly meticulous about their hygiene? They don't just splash water around, but they also have a specific routine, which is they will use their trunks to scoop the water and they will splash it all over their body. They often targeting their ears and their backs. This is a great routine because isn't just for cooling off, but it is also for their activity, which is they will have a bond with other elephants. So next time you see elephant, you need to remember their showering routine. Bye!
Hi guys, I'm Aina and I'm the last presenter for today. Did you guys know that the scientific name for these mammals is Elephas maximus, and from what our experience, that this elephant tends to love bananas more than sugarcane. Hi guys, as for the introduction, we chose exploring Malaysian wildlife species as the title for our video presentation was because the title immediately tells the audience what was the video about, which was wildlife species found in Malaysia. Furthermore, the word exploring adds a sense of adventure and curiosity, which can make the presentation more appealing. In addition, it sets a clear expectation where the content will be about an elephant and a siamang, not just a general nature or tourism. Lastly, the viewers will instantly understand that the video is about wildlife in Malaysia without no confusion. With a clear title helps people quickly decide that the video meets what they are looking for.
Hello everyone, let's get to know about the taxonomic description of Asian elephant. So, they are from kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Proboscidae elephants, family Elephantidae elephants, genus Elephas, and species epithet are from Maximus linnaeus. Next, let's get to know about African elephant. So, African elephant are from kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Proboscidae elephants, family Elephantidae elephants, genus Loxodonta, species epithet are from Africana. And the last one is siamang. Siamang is from the kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order primates, apes and monkeys, family Hylobatidae gibbons, genus Cephalungus, and species epithet of Syndactylus.
Let me briefly explain the role of siamangs in the ecosystem. Siamangs are gibbons that help in seed dispersal by eating fruits and spreading the seeds through their droppings. They may also act as pollinators when feeding on flowers. Their movement in the forest canopy helps maintain forest structure, and they are part of the food web, as young siamangs can be prey to predators. Next is the elephant, a keystone species that greatly impacts its environment. Elephants are habitat engineers. They clear paths, create open spaces, and help their plants grow. They also important seed dispersers and even create water holes during dry seasons, which other animals use. Lastly, their dung helps in nutrient cycling and support many small organisms.
In the consumer habits of siamang, they love to eat fruits, new leaf, small amount of insect, bird eggs, and also small vertebrates. Did you know that resource availability may also drive the sleeping site selection? It can locate near important food resources. However, the sleeping sites are not the food trees because the siamang doesn't want to attract the unwanted attention from the inter or intra competitors and predations. Now let's move on to consumer habit of elephant. They consume grasses, small plants, bushes, fruits, twigs, and roots. Elephant spends between 40 to 75% of their time in feeding. And I think we can say that elephants love eating just like siamang did.
Next, let's go to the reproduction habits for each animal. Firstly, for siamang, siamang have only one offspring every 2 to 3 years. They are pregnant for 7 to 8 months and they do not breed seasonally. For infant care, females breastfeed and nurse their youngs until the young are about 2 years old, while males or the father helps to defend young, playing or carrying the young. Lastly, elephants. Do you know that an elephant's pregnancy is the longest of any mammals? Their pregnancy are typically lasting 18 to 22 months. This means an elephant is pregnant for about 640 to 660 days. Elephants are non-seasonal breeders, but there is evidence that breeding may be more frequent during rainy season. This is likely due to the increased availability of food during the rainy season. For infant care, elephant mothers exhibit a high level of maternal care with their calf for at least 2 years. They will provide milk, protect, and even teaching essential life skills to their calf.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Khairina dan bersama saya adalah Encik Azmi. Di mana kawan-kawan? Pendidikan. Ya, betul.
Diversity.
Institute Diversity. Okey. So, hari ini saya nak bertanya dengan Encik Azmi tentang cabaran utama menjadi ahli kumpulan pendidikan di Pahang. Encik Azmi.
Okey, cabaran yang okey, nak pakai mic okey. Okey, cabaran pertama sekali adalah kita adalah minat ke tak minat untuk bekerja di Jabatan Pendidikan ni. Cabaran. Okey, pertama sekali kita kena minat. Cabaran dia minat ke tak minat. Kalau kita sebab kita nak handling wildlife. Kan, dengan konflik, dengan public. Jadi cabaran kita kena kuatkan semangat kita minat. Okey, yang kedua adalah masa. Cabaran dia masa. Sebab kerja pendidikan ni kita tak ada masa. Tak ada masa untuk family bukan apa. Sebab kita kerja walaupun 8-5 tapi kita selalu banyak outstation. Kan? Tu cabarannya. Yang seterusnya adalah kita punya pengetahuan, cabaran kita, ilmu kita. Kan? Sebab kita dalam Jabatan Pendidikan ni kita kena ada ilmu untuk handling masalah konflik, kehidupan liar, apa semua, kan? Cabaran yang seterusnya adalah macam mana kita nak menjalankan visi misi jabatan ni. Dari segi kan, macam mana kita nak handle teko orang apa semua untuk jalankan pengawasan. Contohnya kalau kita duduk bidang pengawasan, macam mana kita nak tangkap orang, kita berdepan dengan orang. Kalau kita konflik, macam mana kita nak handle dengan orang. Kita berjumpa dengan pengadu tengah marah-marah, macam mana kita nak handle dia semua, kan? Tengah marah ni macam mana ni, kan? Kebun dia kena masuk gajah apa semua, tengah marah apa semua, macam mana kita nak selesaikan aduan. Tu adalah cabaran-cabaran yang kita selalu hadapi lah, kan? Apa semua. Itu sajalah yang sedikit cabaran banyak lagi apa semua, kan? Tu adalah dia punya core cabaran gitu.
Saya sebenarnya berterima kasih, jutaan berterima kasih kepada ahli-ahli pendidikan sebab berjaya menyelamatkan ataupun menghindari haiwan-haiwan yang terancam seperti tapir, harimau Malaya. Jadi kita sebagai rakyat Malaysia perlulah berterima kasih kepada Encik.
Ya.
Macam kerja-kerja
Jabatan
macam ni.
Perilitan kepada saya Jabatan Perilitan.
Jabatan Perilitan. Ya, betul. Jadi, saya Khairina Syafi'i dan Encik
Azmi Maknawi.
Bye.
Ya, jumpa lagi.